Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to the lecture for the course CM 3313 Management of Quality Human Development. In this lecture, we are going to discuss topic for Unit 11, Islamic Human Development Index or IHDI, where we are going to focus our discussion so that we could be able to analyze the application of the Islamic Human Development Index or IHDI. Among the topics of discussion are Human Development Index concept, limitations of a Human Development Index concept has been practiced by United Nations Development Program or UNDP, and further on, we are going to discuss on Islamic Human Development Index in specific IHDI, where we are going to cover five basic needs of Maqasid Sharia. And we are going to conclude our discussion, inshallah, to understand better on this concept of IHDI, inshallah. In part one, we are going to discuss the Human Development Index concept that being practiced currently by United Nations Development Program, its limitation of this HDI, where we are going to address indicator and measurement concerns, and how this expansion of dimensions and indicators, and how they have refined the calculation method. Development theory is a significant framework employed in numerous disciplines, particularly in the field of social sciences. This theory encompasses various dimensions of development with a particular focus on economic development or growth. The term development is defined as a process that promotes growth, maturity, advancement, and organization. Over time, efforts to achieve development in developing countries have evolved from solely emphasizing economic growth to encompassing equality, justice, quality of life, and environmental sustainability. This ongoing evolution aims to enhance the overall well-being of a nation. Development must encompass aspects beyond material-oriented growth and instead prioritize creating a sense of security, freedom from fear, and the ability to foster conditions that promote human creativity. By doing so, individuals are empowered to explore their creative potentials, solve societal challenges, and contribute to the betterment of humanity. The interpretation of development varies depending on the paradigm employed, whether it is in the realm of academia or in the implementation of policies. This divergence in fundamental principles carries significant implications for economic facets such as references, subjects, objects, objectives, procedures, and strategies involved in development. Similarly, Chopra asserts that the economic system is fundamentally shaped by one's worldview, which encompasses inquiries into the origins of the universe, the meaning and purpose of human life, the ultimate ownership and purpose of limited resources, and the relationships humans have with each other, including rights, obligation, and the environment. The choice of paradigm plays a crucial role in determining the goals of development. Furthermore, it influences the behavior of economic actors, the criteria for measuring development success, the perception of other subjects such as the environment and the universe, and ultimately guides the conceptualization, planning, and regulatory strategies of development. In the Islamic context, the paradigm of development is constructed in accordance with the principles of the Quran and Sunnah, upholding religious values and the will of God. This fundamental distinction in approach leads to a divergence in the methodology of development when compared to conventional economics. This paradigmatic difference in terms of methodology affects the sources of reference, objects, methods, and development procedures, all of which deviate from conventional approaches. Human Development Index concept. Human development is a crucial concept for assessing the progress of a country or region. This concept focuses on the development of human aspects as the central subject of development. It assumes that the development of high quality human resources is not only essential but also has a significantly positive impact, rather than treating humans merely as objects of development. The concept of human development was introduced by the United Nations Development Programme, or UNDP, in 1990 and is regularly published in the annual Human Development Report. Key proponents of the concept include Mahbub al-Haq and Amartya Sen, renowned economists from Pakistan and India, respectively. These influential figures have presented progressive ideas within the framework of human development, aiming to enhance welfare standards. Sen argues that economic development is an integral part of the process of expanding people's capabilities. Prior to the establishment of the Human Development Index (HDI) in 1990, the prevailing development paradigms were focused on production in the 1960s, distribution of development outcomes in the 1970s, and meeting basic needs consumption in the 1980s. Finally, in the 1990s, development shifted towards emphasizing the quality of human resources. The HDI has become the primary indicator widely utilized by countries worldwide to measure the development success of a nation or region. The progress and level of development of a country are gauged by its HDI value. Developed countries are characterized by high HDI values, whereas underdeveloped countries exhibit low HDI values. Countries with moderate HDI values fall within the developing category. According to the UNDP, the Human Development Index is composed of three fundamental dimensions. First, health, measured by life expectancy. Second, knowledge, assessed by average schooling duration. And third, the economy, measured by GDP per capita. Referring to Figure 1, the Human Development Index (HDI) comprises various components, dimensions, and indicators that can be quantified. The calculation of the HDI involves the geometric mean of three key dimensions: education, health, and expenditure. The HDI serves as a comprehensive measurement tool that captures important aspects of human development. It acknowledges that development intends beyond purely economic factors and includes education, health, and overall well being. By incorporating these dimensions, the HDI provides a more holistic understanding of a country's development status. To calculate the HDI, each dimension is assessed using specific indicators. For education, indicators such as average schooling duration and literacy rates are considered. Health is measured by life expectancy at birth, while expenditure is evaluated using gross domestic product or GDP per capita. The new method of calculating HDI represents an improvement over the previous approach, enabling a more accurate and nuanced assessment of human development. This refinement ensures that the index captures a broader range of factors, allowing for a better understanding of the progress made by countries in various dimensions. Table 1 presents a comparison between the indicators used in the old and new methods of HDI calculation. This comparison highlights the evolution in measuring human development and provides insights into the adjustments made to enhance the accuracy and relevance of the index. In conclusion, the HDI is a valuable tool for assessing human development by considering multiple dimensions. Its calculation methods has evolved to better capture the complexities of development, resulting in a more comprehensive and nuanced evaluation. The indicators used in the new method reflect this improvement as demonstrated in Table 1. Limitations of Human Development Index concept. The concept of human development is crucial for evaluating progress, yet it is imperative to address the limitations and shortcomings inherent in its measurement. In this lecture, we will explore the criticism directed towards the Human Development Index, HDI, and the innovative steps taken by the United Nations Development Programs, UNDP, to refine and broaden its scope. By accommodating this criticism and introducing modifications to the HDI, a more comprehensive and relevant evaluation of development can be achieved. Addressing indicator and measurement concerns. Critics such as Yusuf and Ali have highlighted certain issues regarding the indicators and mathematical methods used in the HDI calculation. One significant concern is the disregard for income inequality among individuals within a society, as noted by Anand and Sen. To overcome this limitation, Hicks suggests incorporating the Gini coefficient, into the HDI calculation, thus accounting for income distribution. These recommendations provide valuable insights into refining the HDI method and ensuring a more accurate representation of societal well-being. Expanding dimensions and indicators. UNDP acknowledges the need for continuous improvement and has actively pursued innovation in the HDI framework. One approach involves incorporating additional dimensions and indicators to enhance the evaluation process. For example, Argentina adapted the HDI by including several new indicators for each dimension, resulting in a more comprehensive assessment of human development. Similarly, Colombia introduced a new dimension focused on the homicide index, acknowledging the importance of security in development evaluation. Costa Rica also expanded the HDI by including security factors as a separate dimension to rectify its assessment. This modification broadened the scope of the HDI, capturing a wider range of factors that contribute to human development. Refining calculation method. Beyond indicator selection, changes in the calculation methods have also been made to improve the HDI. An evolution from the original arithmetic approach to a geometric approach for calculating composite indices is one such refinement. This adjustment ensures a more accurate reflection of the relationships between different dimensions and indicators, facilitating a comprehensive assessment of development. The HDI serves as a crucial tool for assessing human development, but it is essential to recognize its limitation and actively work towards its improvement. UNDP's commitment to addressing criticism and refining the HDI through the incorporation of additional dimensions, indicators, and changes in calculation methods is commendable. By embracing innovation and accommodating diverse perspectives, a more holistic and accurate assessment of human development can be achieved. These ongoing efforts will contribute to a better understanding of development dynamics and enable policymakers to implement targeted interventions for inclusive and sustainable progress. Thank you very much. Inshallah, we will continue our lecture in part 2, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.